Hi guys, it's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video of this stunning Ducati Panigale V4S. So this one is a 2021 on a 21 plate. It's a stunning bike, honestly. I love the front end of this V4 now, honestly. If you saw that in your rear view mirror coming towards you, you'd think, what an absolute beast. This one's only done 5,921 miles from new. And obviously it is the S, so you get the full-blown Marchesini wheels on there, the Forge racing wheels. You also get fully electronic adjustable Ohlins suspension, quickshifter, auto blipper. You get adjustable engine braking, adjustable ABS, you get adjustable traction control, adjustable wheelie control, adjustable slide control. You can see me just going for all the settings on the right hand side here. These are all your adjustable parts. Then you can go into your main menu and go to your riding mode, and you've got race, sport, street. Then you can go into these as well, change the power of your engine, so you can have full power, smooth power, medium power, and then you can really go into it. Go into your electric suspension. And honestly, all your brake support, your front support, shock absorber, steering head damper, there you go. You can do all the settings on these, and you've got something like 9 different settings on each bit. It's brilliant, honestly. What a piece of kit. Full-blown world superbike with a reg plate on the back of it. Claim just over 200 brake horsepower, I think about 215 brake horsepower. Plenty of power. Obviously, it's a V4 engine as well, so it's really smooth, and obviously you get all that top end as well. It's just a gorgeous bike. Love the decal kit on it as well. Looks a bit like a Superleggera. Anyway, if you want to get it bought, be quick. Panigales are selling fast. If you want this one, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes or give us a call. Thanks for watching.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish. And we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.